Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we're going to have a closer look on how to come up in handstand. And what you need for today's practice is a belt, your mat, and please be next to a wall. And then I would say, let's get on our mat and let's practice. So let's get into Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Relax your head. And then walk in with your feet so that you feel really the shoulders over your wrists and that you shift the weight onto your hands. So feel the shifting of the weight. Relax your head. And a lot of times what happens when you want to go up into handstand is that you lift up a leg, and it is that leg that you lifted up that brings you up. But it is actually the opposite. So it is the leg that is down on the ground who's doing the job. And the one who you lift up is just going with the movement. So instead of doing this, you go down and do this. Okay. Then place the knees down. Come back, sit. And now we need the belt. And bring one leg forward. So to avoid kicking one leg too quickly up, we're going to fasten the leg with a belt. Make sure that the bucket is on the outside. And place it around your leg. So it's my left leg now that I fasten. And then I go back into a kind of Adho Mukha again. And now I have one leg which I fastened and the other leg is long. So my right leg, which is long now, I lift up the heel of my right foot, so I'm only on my toes and mainly on the ball of the big toe of my right foot. And now you can feel already that you can't do anything with your left leg, which is fastened. So now you really have to activate the right leg if you want to come up into handstand. Make sure that you again check on your shoulders. So the shoulders should be over your wrists. So move. Check again. Activate your hands. So feel the weight on your hands. Very important here. Long arms. Don't bend your arms. And then it is by really jumping a bit, engaging your spring joint of the right foot, that you try to bring the fastened leg toward the ceiling. And I would look in between my hands, and whenever I come down, I inhale, I exhale, and I jump. So it's really bringing the pelvis up. And it's the leg that is down who's doing the job. And then you relax, you come back, go down. And you take off the belt. And you relax for a moment, go into baby pose, child's pose. Relax. And then you come up again. And to avoid imbalances, You do the other side. So now you take the right leg and put the belt around the right leg. And like always, I hope that this little insight of mine, that little extra that I gave you, brought you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again, and I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.